Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, so I'm working on this beautiful blue tiger eye right now, and instead of the traditional videos that I've been doing, I wanted to kind of explain a few properties of tiger eye and then show you the process a little bit. So, quick video, but first, so the chatoyant or hawk's eye, tiger eye, it's basically a replacement or a pseudomorph of the mineral crocolite or chrysotolite, however you want to pronounce it, wherever you're from. But the fibers in these are touchy when you're making cabs or when you're making any jewelry with them. They'll pull, whether yellow, brown, blue. There's different colors of tiger eye, and no matter what, they'll pull. So when you're working with them, if we can see here in the light, if you don't go with the fibers, then it will pull out, and it'll kind of leave a little bit of a, I've done it multiple times, and it's a good learning experience, but it'll pull a strand out and you'll be left with a gap in your stone. So it's not very well polished. It's noticeable. So that's what makes these stones a little bit more difficult to work with, at least for me. So right now I have, let's see if I can adjust this a little here. So I have a 3000 grit diamond soft wheel here, diamond resin, and an 8000 grit. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to the 8000 because this piece I've already polished quite a bit, and so I think the 8000 is going to go well, and then we'll go on to final polish, which I'll probably use a cerium oxide powder with, it's just a slurry mix with the buffer wheel here. So let's see how it turns out. It's just about there. I'm excited about this one. I know I've talked about it before. We'll go with it. But cool piece. Beautiful character to it. So, alright, let's get it. Alright, so like I said, I know it might be loud hearing over this, but just going with the grain, with the fibers, I've had too many of them pull on me, so I always do that. And I always get a good polish on it too. With the edges, I'll just kind of brush it so you don't take that edge away too much. Also helps round it out a little bit too. Helps to dome it a little bit. Now obviously going against the grain or against these fibers I try to do all the doming on the highest or the lowest grits. So like the 220, I'll try to curve it off as much as possible real lightly. And then I'll go, even the 600 grit, I'll try to dome it as much as possible in those directions so I don't pull those fibers. And then once that I get down to like 3,000 on, that's when I try to stick with one direction, keeping it smooth. Just nick those edges a little bit, tap it, and polish it out. So it's not as easy as just, you know, going on like mini stones, but I think, you know, that's, oh, it's one of my favorites. It's a beautiful piece. So I'm gonna try to do more videos like this, but this one will be on hopefully tomorrow, but we'll see. Really cool piece. Hope you like it. Check out the YouTube, check out Facebook, like them both, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.